Yeah, welcome to On the Surf. This is the family. On this channel, we're talking about boat stuff in general, boat life with kids, how it works with kids on the boat, how it works with dogs on the boat maintenance and boat restoration and boat repairs, and basically boat life in general. Please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, but it helps me out and keeps my motivation going. So please hit that subscribe button, give the videos a thumbs up if you like the content, and if you don't, leave a comment below, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Yeah, this is hopefully the last tour with this boat. Sadly, but that's true. Yeah, the boat is up for sale, and yeah, it's gonna go fast, so hopefully already tomorrow it's sold. Yeah, the yak. Yeah, yak is here also. And don't worry, the channel won't stop, because if it's going as a plan, this boat gets sold tomorrow, and on Sunday we're gonna go and take a look and hopefully buy another boat, a bigger boat. So yeah, right now we are out just cruising, me and the kids. Hector, kom och visa dig. Yeah, Jack is here also. Hector, titta nu. Hector. And there Hector is also. Yeah, they like to mess around with the camera. Yeah. Like I said, this hopefully is gonna be the last tour with this boat, and yeah, I'm not gonna go boatless a long time, so if I get this sold tomorrow and I don't buy the new one on Sunday, I'm just gonna find some other boat to buy. Yeah, but that boat we're gonna go and look on. It's basically the same boat, only bigger. Yeah, hopefully the last voyage with this boat can't end any better. Look like sun is going down and nothing but blue sea ahead, and soon we are gonna sail into the sundown. Yeah, it's a bit sad to get rid of this boat, but yeah, it's always nice with a big one. But the new one, yeah, this is an Albin 25, that means 25 foot long. The new one's gonna be an Albin 30, but so it's only gonna be 5 foot longer, but it's almost 1 meter wider, so it's extremely a lot of space in that new boat, hopefully new boat. And yeah, if we buy that one, it's gonna be, yeah, we're gonna take that on the water home, because it's extremely expensive to take it on the land. So we're gonna drive it home, and that's gonna take about a week. So yeah, it's 40 hours just in driving time. So yeah, I'm gonna drive all night and half day while the kids and Sandra is sleeping. So yeah, just driving time is, yeah, if I run 18 hours a day, I'm home in just a couple of days. So it's gonna be a long run shift when we are gonna do that. So yeah, but hopefully that's gonna be really nice. And now it's, you know, just amazing weather. It's almost too good to be true. I'm gonna show you 360.